Hi guys, it's me Isa, also known on the internet as Issaplease, and today we are at the ocean park. It is VIP day. Yes, I made it to VIP day, guys, and we are going to be exploring Ocean Park. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. This place is perfect for kids at heart, for adults. It's perfect for everyone. I'm so excited. I'm such a big fish fan. I own a bunch of aquariums, so I'm so happy to be here, and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. So come on with me on my journey.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the tour of Cebu Ocean Park. If you want to find out more about this beautiful attraction, I will be posting it on my blog, issaplease.com, so don't forget to check it out. Don't forget to follow me on my social